Whoa, sir. Don't you threaten me. You guys better knock it off. All kinds of acting up. I know. Okay, so I haven't been out here a lot because I have the baby raccoon who needs bottle fed 3 times a day and bonded with and whatnot. And so these guys have not gotten their mommy time and they're acting up, acting out. Johnny really needs me to get his winter coat off of him. Jack doesn't even have one, but Jack thinks he needs brushed. It's just a mess over here. I need an assistant if anybody wants to come hang out during the summer. He's, sir, I know. I need more hands. You guys are, let me out, let me out. Aren't they cute? All right, let's go this way. Look, Mommy, let's go let you out, because then at least I have a chance to, it's been raining really bad here, and this lot is disgusting. Ugh. Hold on. Sorry again, I need more hands. Don't worry, didn't get him. Woo! Stay here, Johnny. Stay here so I can brush you, buddy. Alright. It's probably gonna take off though. He's like, it's time to eat, Mom. It's gonna let me out on this gate. We'll talk about brushing me later. Alright, buddy. Jack? You gonna be Jack and take off? No, he won't let me near him out here. It's hilarious. Okay, guys, I got a lot of work to do. I need a farmhand. Somebody wants to come apply. That'd be awesome. Love you. Bye.